Hi beauties, and welcome to my channel, Budget Beauty Mama. So I took a survey on my Instagram on what makeup look I should do today, and the results came back as majority winning green eyeshadow with glitter and lipstick instead of lip gloss. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm gonna be showing you some budget-friendly products that we're gonna be using for this look, so stay tuned. So we're just gonna stick to what I know, and if you have any suggestions on any other kind of like budget-friendly options to style your brows, please let me know in the comment section. So let's get those all groomed out. So I always like to outline with this Wet n Wild pencil, and I'm pretty sure it's not an eyebrow pencil, but I still use it, and it's the color semi brown. I think it's just an eyeliner pencil, but I've been using it forever. And then I kind of just underline to get the shape that I want. And I do it on both eyes. And then I like to fill them in with my NYX Professional Makeup Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. And this is in the color Espresso. So I'm going to be using the Kaida eyeshadow primer that I got off Amazon. It comes in 3 different shades together. Number 1, medium, white, and dark. So I'm going to be doing the medium since we're doing a brighter color, and so that will show up a little bit better. So the palette that I was mentioning earlier is the Beauty Glaze Color Fusion palette. This palette literally has almost every color in the rainbow, including the greens that we're going to be using today. I have been using it pretty frequently, even though my go-to is usually like the James Charles palette when I want a colorful look. I have recently fell in love with this. So we're gonna get started. As you can see, the pigment is freaking amazing. So I'm gonna be using this Juvia's Place concealer, the shade 16, to do my cut crease with this nice flat brush that I'll leave in the description. Oops. So now I'm gonna take the darker shade of green, just kind of do the outside corner. So we added the middle shade green and the light shade green and kind of blended it in, and then we did some like yellow up on the brow bone. So I've been trying to decide where I can incorporate the glitter, and I think I'm gonna do it on the lash line, but I am going to take this yellow and kind of just go into my crease with it. So I actually changed my mind. And I'm just gonna put this like goldish yellow color in the crease instead. Okay, now I'm gonna use my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. Okay, so I've done my foundation, and now I'm going to finish up the rest of the eye look. Okay, so this is the final look, and we're ready for today. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!